Hi students, this video is about graph transformations. We take the curve of a parabola as a reference curve, the parabola. Now what is the effect of adding a constant to this equation? If I add here, for example, if I add a constant, for example, 3, we see here that the curve is displaced by 3 units up along the y-axis. See, 3 units up. But if I subtract the constant, if I put -3, so the curve is shifted or displaced 3 units in the negative y direction, the negative y-axis. Now, what is the effect of replacing x by x minus or plus a certain constant? For example, I will add 5. So I replace x by x plus 5. See here, the curve is displaced to the left in the negative direction of the x-axis. It is shifted by 5 units to the left. But if it is negative, if I subtract 5, so it is shifted to the right by 5 units. 5 units. Now, what is the effect of replacing the constant here? Of course, the constant here is 1. The factor of x squared is 1. Now, what is the effect of replacing this constant by another constant greater than 1? We say here that the curve is stretched inward. If I increase the constant, the stretching increases. Replacing by 5, so it is stretched inward. So here we say that the constant or the factor of x squared, we call it A. A is greater than 1. So in this case, A is greater than 1. But if the constant here is less than 1, smaller than 1, for example, 0.5, so it is stretched out. If I take a smaller constant, for example 0.3, see the stretching increases, the stretching outward, decreasing it also. Point 1, so the stretching increases. Now So here we say that the constant is less than 1. Is less than 1. In this case, the factor of x squared is less than 1. Now, see the parabola curve is like a cup, and it is open up. Now, when it is open down, now if we replace the factor of x squared here is positive. If we replace it by a negative constant, it will turn and reflect it down. Well, for example, negative x squared. So it is reflected down, and it is open down. We say here the curve is open down. The curve could be open to the right and could be open to the left. If we write y squared equals x, so the curve, the parabola, is open to the right. And if we put a negative sign here, so it is opened now to the left. Thank you for watching, and there is another videos for other subjects.